the questions that has just appeared in game of the timers. I answered this question in 1 minute 26 seconds. So here I'm just going to explain what exactly is the explanation. I'm so sorry for taking it late because I just checked my messages and then I figured that this question has already been posted. So I've just solved it minutes ago. Let's start understanding this question. Line K is tangent to the circle with center 0, 0 at minus 3 comma y such that the y-intercept is positive. So the first thing that I would like to do is, which I keep suggesting every student of mine, that always draw the figure for any such question of coordinate geometry. So here comes the figure first. I have this y-axis, x-axis, and I have this circle assumed to be of radius 5, as the question say. This is the center 0, 0, and now there is a point minus 3 comma y where the line is tangent. Now let's quickly figure out where should minus 3 should be somewhat like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 3 comma y point comes out to be approximately at this point. Now because the line is tangent at this point, so I'm just trying to draw a line. This is the supposed figure of the line that the question of line K that the question is talking about. Now we have to find out the slope. So here the very first property that we should be focusing upon is that the property of tangent says that the tangent, if the point of tangency is joined with the center of the circle, it always makes a 90 degrees. And when the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then there is also one more relationship that we should be well acquainted with, that for perpendicular lines, the product of the slopes of the lines m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Now here the good thing is, we can find out the slope of the line, this green line, which is the point touching the point of tangency with the center, based on if we could find out the y coordinate of the point of intersection. So now this is my problem. But since the equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 5 square, because the general equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square with, for the circle with center at origin, and radius is equal to 5 in this case, that's given to us. So this becomes the equation of a circle. This point lies on the circle. That means I can substitute x equal to minus 3 and y as y. So this gives us y as equal to 4 units. Now I know that this point is minus 3 comma 4, and therefore the slope of this green line, that means let's call it OP, slope of OP will be equal to 4 minus 0 over minus 3 minus 0, that means minus 4 over 3. And now we are going back to this expression, calling this as m1. Now we can say that since m1 m2 equal to minus 1, so minus 4 upon 3 times m2 should be equal to minus 1, so m2 becomes 3 over 4, and that's how we get the slope of K becomes 3 over 4, which is option C, and that's our answer. I hope that helps. My name is Bhupendra Singh and I am from GMATINSIGHT.com. To more about me, you can always Google things about me. Thank you so much. That's where I'll take a pause. Thank you.